I'm Nikki from Doug and Nikki, and I have these DOWAN Ramekins with lids, and I love that they're oven safe. Put them in the dishwasher. They're a set of 6, and they are so pretty and white. I love too when things come nicely packed. You can see all of the lids are packed. Ooh, these lids are really nice. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, which is really nice for ramekins to have a lid, because most times they don't come with a lid, and it's nice to be able to cover that creme brulee or anything that's in it. So, you know, you have the little opening here, you're gonna put it on and close it, and it's gonna give you, you know, a nice little seal. It's not a major seal or anything like that, but it's got a nice little seal to it. And then how nice is that you can stack them? Because if you're making creme brulee, you're not going to be making one, and it certainly makes it easier to put in the fridge when you're able to stack them. So they're certainly very pretty looking. I think they're going to be easy to clean. You know, obviously don't put these in the oven. Those are plastic, those will melt. But I think they're really nice, and I am going to enjoy using them. So I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.